हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू यूजीपीजी मैथमेटिक्स। जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं, हमने 1000 प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट किया है फ्रॉम रियल एनालिसिस और सीक्वेंस का पार्ट ख़त्म हो चुका है। सो टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट विथ सीरीज़। सो कभी भी आपके पास सीरीज़ का क्वेश्चन आए तो वो सीरीज़ कॉन्वर्जेंट है या फिर डाइवर्जेंट है वो पहले चेक करना होता है, एंड देन इन केस ऑफ कॉन्वर्जेंट हमें सम फाइंड आउट करने के लिए बोलते हैं। सो फॉर दैट वी नीड द कॉन्वर्जेंस टेस्ट फॉर the series. So there are some tests, we will go one by one so that आपको practice हो जाएगा. These series are very interesting series. For this we need some another test, but for the sake of completeness let me start from the basic step, which is first, if we have some series, let us take a series summation an and runs from 1 to infinity. Now for the convergence, we must have, if this series is convergent, then this limit an is equal to 0, right? All of us know this. But if we take the contrapositive of this, then this is called divergence test. So if limit an is not 0, then the series is divergent. ठीक है, तो बस इतना याद रखना है। तो आपको कोई भी सीरीज आए, आपको पहले ये चेक करना है कि लिमिट an इज 0 और नॉट। ठीक है, उसके बाद आप बाकी के सारे टेस्ट यूज करो। सो फॉर दिस लेट अस लुक एट दिस फर्स्ट सीरीज। सो फर्स्ट सीरीज इज जस्ट cos n, राइट? सो लेट अस टेक an टू बी cos n and runs from 1 to infinity. Now in order to find out this limit, so limit of this an is just limit of cos n, right? Is this limit exist? No, because if we take two sequences, take xn to be 2n pi, that means we are taking even multiple of pi, then the value of cos xn is just equal to, now we are taking even multiple of pi, so it is 1. And if we take another sequence, say yn, it is just odd multiple of pi, then cos yn is equal to -1, right? Now this xn yn as n tends to infinity, right? But if you look at this cos xn, this is just 1 which converges to 1. This is -1 which is convergent to -1, right? But clearly this 1 is not equal to -1, right? If limit exists, then the limiting value must be same along any path, right? So here 1 and -1 are not same, and therefore this limit does not exist, right? So clearly limit an is not 0, and therefore we conclude that this is a divergent series, right? Now we should remember this. This is very important. So if this series is convergent, then we have limit an is 0, right? But the converse is not true. That means if limit an is 0, then this does not imply this an is convergent. Why? Because there is a famous series. So take summation 1 by n. All of us know that this series is divergent series, and here limit an is limit 1 by n which is 0, right? So we have limit is 0, but the series 1 by n is not convergent, right? So this converse does not hold. So let us move to second test, which is root test. So for root test, what is that test? It is just if we have some series, say an runs from 1 to infinity. If we take L is equal to limit n tends to infinity of, take modulus of an raised to 1 by n. Now there are conditions on this L. If L is less than 1, then the series is convergent. If L is greater than 1, then it is divergent, and if L is equal to 1, then we cannot conclude anything from this test, right? Similarly, for the ratio test, we have, if this L equal to limit n tends to infinity of, take an plus 1 divided by an, and the conditions are same for this n, right? So if we look at this series, then what is that series? Here an is just equal to 1 by n plus 1 n raised to n, right? Now important thing is हमें ये कब यूज करना है ना, रूट टेस्ट और रेशियो टेस्ट हम सबको पता होता है कि हाँ दीज आर द टेस्ट, लेकिन इसको यूज कब करना है? हाँ, तो जब भी आपके पास ऐसा कोई पावर में n आए, सपोज n रेज टू n यहाँ पे है, तो आपको रूट टेस्ट यूज करना है। और अगर आपके पास ऐसा कुछ फैक्टोरियल का टर्म आए, n फैक्टोरियल एंड सो ऑन, देन आपको रेशियो टेस्ट यूज करना है, ठीक है? So here just note that here we have n raised to n, right? So we have to use this root test. So by root test we just have to take raised to 1 by n, right? Now all these are positive numbers, so this is just this, right? Now take this n plus 1, now this is just 1 by n, n raised to n raised to 1 by n, it is just n, right? Now we have to find out the limit of this, right? So limit of this is just equal to limit of this quantity, right? So take the limit, so n plus 1 raised to 1 by n times 1 by n, right? Now we know that this limit exists because, let me do some calculations here. So if we take some L to be say n plus 1 raised to 1 by n, and I were to find out the limit of this quantity, right? Because I know this limit of 1 by n is 0, right? So to find out this limit, take log on both the sides, natural logarithm. So this is log and this is just equal to log L is equal to log of n plus 1 divided by n, right? Now as n tends to infinity, numerator and denominator both tends to infinity, so when we take the limit we have to apply the L'Hospital's rule, right? So by L'Hospital rule, this is just equal to derivative of this divided by the derivative of n, which is 1, right? Now as n tends to infinity, this is just 0, right? So limit of log L is equal to 0, and hence limit of L is equal to e raised to 0, which is 1, right? So limit of this quantity is 1 and limit of 1 by n is 0, and hence this is equal to 0, right? Now 0 is less than 1 and therefore this series is convergent by using root test, right? Simple है ना, बस इतना ही याद रखना है, ठीक है? So let us solve the next one. So we have an is just equal to 2n factorial times 3n factorial divided by 4n factorial n factorial, right? Now मैंने अभी बोला था आपको, जब भी आपके पास n factorial के टर्म्स आए तो आपको क्या यूज करना है? रेशियो टेस्ट, राइट? So by ratio test we just have to take the ratio, right? an plus 1 divided by an. These are all positive numbers, so mod लेने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. So take an plus 1 divided by an, which is just equal to, now we just have to replace this n by n plus 1. So 2 times n plus 1, so 2n plus 2 factorial, then 3n plus 3 factorial divided by 4n plus 4 factorial, and this is n plus 1 factorial, right? Divided by an. What is an? It is just 2n factorial, 3n factorial, whole thing divided by 4n factorial, n factorial, right? Now in order to simplify this, हमें ये पता होना चाहिए फैक्टोरियल मतलब क्या होता है. So this is just equal to 2n plus 2, then 2n plus 1, then 2n, ठीक है? तो यहाँ तक ही जाना है क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में हमें 2n फैक्टोरियल है, ठीक है? डिवाइडेड बाय, so rest is just 3n plus 3, then 3n plus 2, 3n plus 1, 3n factorial, right? Now what is in the denominator? This is just 4n plus 4 4n plus 3, 4n plus 2, then 4n plus 1 times 4n factorial. Right. Now n plus 1 factorial is just n plus 1 times n factorial. Now this is just ये उल्टा हो जाएगा into this 4n factorial divided by n times n factorial divided by 3n factorial 2n factorial. Right. Now just cancel these terms. So here we have 4n factorial n. Now next is 2n, 3n, these factorials. Right. Now in order to find out the limit, right, you have to take the limit. So limit के लिए आप क्या करो, देखो यहाँ पे 2n है, यहाँ पे 2n, then 3n, 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 right, और यहाँ पे क्या है n plus 1, then 4n, 4n, 4n and 4n. तो आपको क्या करना है, count these n's. So यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा, सिर्फ दिस इज लिमिट एज n टेंस टू इन्फिनिटी ऑफ n रेज टू 5 को कॉमन निकालो और क्या बच जाएगा, सिर्फ इसका अगर आप लिमिट लेते हो तो वो n के टर्म्स सारे कैंसिल हो जाएंगे यहाँ पे. ठीक है, और सिर्फ ये जो मल्टीपल्स के टर्म होते हैं n को जो मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं बस वही काउंट होता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ लिमिट. ठीक है, जब आप लिमिट लेते हो तो सो लिमिट इसका क्या आ जाएगा, सिर्फ दिस इज जस्ट इक्वल टू यहाँ से 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3. सो लेट मी राइट 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 divided by 4, 4, 4, 4 and this is just 1, right, 1 into n. Now look at this quantity. Now this 4 is cancelled with this. Now we have this 3, 3, 3 and 4 into 4 into 4, right, which is clearly less than 1, right, because this 3 is less than 4. So आप use करो, this is just 4, 4, 4 divided by 4 into 4 into 4 which is 1, right. So we have this L is less than 1 and therefore by ratio test this series is a convergent series. Now let us look at the next series which is important. So the series is 1 upon n times log n or ln of n. So here we have to use another test which is Cauchy condensation test, which says that this series an n runs from 1 to infinity is convergent if and only if summation n runs from 1 to infinity 2 raised to n a 2 raised to n is convergent. ठीक है, इसका मतलब क्या है कि आपको जस्ट ये जो n है उसको 2 raised to n से रिप्लेस कर देना है. ठीक है, एंड वी ऑल्सो हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय 2 raised to n. सो जब भी आपके पास कोई भी ln ऑफ n ऐसा टर्म आए इन टर्म्स ऑफ सीरीज तो आप क्या करो, उसको बस कॉशी कंडेंसेशन से ही सॉल्व करो. ठीक है, तो दिस इज वेरी इजी. सो टेक an is equal to 1 upon n times ln n. Now when we take this term, so this is just 2 raised to n, 2 raised to n, replace n by 2 raised to n by 2 raised to n, right. Now we know that this ln of a raised to b is same as b ln of a, right. So use this here, we get this is just n times ln of 2, right. Now this 2 raised to n cancels with this and we just have this is just 1 upon n times ln of 2, right. Now when you take the series of this, it is just series n runs from 1 to infinity, right. Now this ln of 2 is just a constant, right, so we can take it outside and this is just n runs from 1 to infinity, sorry 2 to infinity, 2 दिया है वहाँ पर, so this is 1 upon n, right. Now we know that this series is a divergent series, है ना, तो and this is just a constant. ठीक है, जब भी हम कॉन्वर्जेंस टेस्ट करते हैं किसी भी सीरीज का तो आपको क्या करना है, कांस्टेंट आप इग्नोर कर सकते हो So this series is divergent series, and therefore this is divergent. That means this is divergent, and hence this is also divergent series. So we have the series is a divergent series, right? Now let us look at the next series. अब अगर आपको ये पता है फर्स्ट इज डाइवर्जेंट, तो आप जो सेकेंड सीरीज है यहाँ पे आप वो इजीली चेक कर सकते हो. सो फॉर दैट take an is equal to 1 upon n times ln of n, right? Now just note that, so look at the graph. This is the graph of ln of n, right? And this is the graph of n, right? Now clearly this ln of n is less than n, right? For all n greater equal to, यहाँ पे सीरीज 2 से स्टार्ट हो रही है, राइट? नाउ व्हेन वी टेक ln ऑफ दिस, इट इज ऑल्सो लेस देन ln ऑफ दिस, राइट? बिकॉज दिस ln इज इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन. सो वी हैव this inequality. Now multiply this by n, so this is just n times ln of n, right? Now important thing is just take the reciprocal, so this is greater than reciprocal of this, right? Now we have seen this series is a divergent series, right? So when we take the series of this is a divergent series, right? So this is also a divergent series by using comparison test. So what is that comparison test? Suppose we have two non-negative series, that means 0 less equal an less equal suppose bn. अगर हमारे पास ऐसा है, and if this series bn is convergent, then series an is convergent, ठीक है? और same thing if we have series an, अगर ये सीरीज डाइवर्जेंट है तो ये भी डाइवर्जेंट होती है, इज डाइवर्जेंट, देन सीरीज बी एन इज डाइवर्जेंट, ठीक है? तो मतलब अगर ये सीरीज कॉन्वर्जेंट है, जो बाहर वाली सीरीज है वो कॉन्वर्जेंट है, तो ये जो अंदर वाली सीरीज है उसको तो कॉन्वर्ज होना ही पड़ेगा. और ये अगर सीरीज अंदर की सीरीज अगर वो डाइवर्जेंट सीरीज है तो ये बाहर की सीरीज भी डाइवर्जेंट सीरीज होती है, ठीक है? सो use this fact here. We have this series is divergent and it is strictly greater than 0, ठीक है? तो this series is divergent, ये अंदर की सीरीज है और ये बाहर वाली सीरीज है, so this is a divergent series, and therefore this series is also a divergent series. Or you can use Cauchy condensation test also for that series. Now let us look at this. So here we have an is just equal to 1 upon n ln of n ln of n, right? Now we will use Cauchy condensation test for this. So 2 raised to n a 2 raised to n, this is just equal to 2 raised to n 1 by 2 raised to n, then ln of 2 raised to n is just n ln 2, right? Now ln of 2, now this is ln of n, which is 2 raised to n, so it is n times ln of 2, right? Now here we just have to use the basic property of logarithm, which is just ln of ab is equal to ln of a plus ln of b, right? Now here we have ln of, call this as a, call this as b, so this is just ln of a plus ln of 2, right? Now this is just same as this 1 upon n times ln of 2 times ln of n plus ln of ln of 2, right? Now just look at this quantity. This is just a constant, right? We just have to check the convergence, right? तो आप ये जो constant term है उसको forget कर दो, ठीक है? So when we forget about this, we just have this is n times, so ln2 is also a constant, so forget about this. So this is just 1 upon n times ln of L, right? Now we know that this series is divergent, right? यहाँ से. So we have this series is a divergent series, and therefore by Cauchy condensation test this series is a divergent series. So this is also a divergent series, right? Now let us look at last example. So this is just an is equal to n times ln of n its square, right? So here it is somewhat different. So an is 1 upon n times ln of n its square, ठीक है? अब क्या करना है आपको? कॉशी कंडेंसेशन से इसको सॉल्व करना है. सो टेक 2 raised to n, 2 raised to n, 2 raised to n, 2 raised to n. This is 2 raised to n, which is just 2n, right? Now this cancels and we just have 1 upon, this is n square ln of 2 its square, right? Now important thing is that this is just a constant, so forget about this. Now we know that series 1 upon n square is a convergent series, right? Because this is a p series with p is equal to 2, right? And we know that for p greater than 1 this series is convergent. So here we have 2, and therefore this series is convergent, and hence this series is convergent, and therefore by Cauchy condensation test this series an is convergent, and therefore this is a convergent series, right? So we have done this zero test, the very first test, which was if the series is convergent then limit an is 0. So that limit 0 means you can just remember this like zero test is limit an is 0, ऐसा होना ही चाहिए if the series is convergent, ठीक है? Then उसके बाद क्या था? रूट टेस्ट, देन रेशियो टेस्ट, देन उसके बाद कॉशी कंडेंसेशन टेस्ट. सो दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट टेस्ट जो कॉशी कंडेंसेशन है वो, क्योंकि बहुत सारे एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में आपको इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा सकते हैं, ठीक है? और ये सारे टेस्ट कहाँ पे यूज होते हैं, या फिर ये जो पी सीरीज है विच इज कॉन्वर्जेंट फॉर पी ग्रेटर देन 1, ठीक है, मैंने ये इंक्लूड कर दिया है. उसके बाद मैंने आपको कंपैरिजन टेस्ट भी बीच में बोला था. तो ये सारे टेस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है. जब भी आप किसी बड़े टेस्ट के लिए ट्राई करते हो तो आपको ये सारा यूज करना होता है, ठीक है? सो लेट्स स्टॉप हियर. I hope you like this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you find this useful. Thank you.